Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix the Xbox error code party chat error. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to check your internet connection. For that you need to disable your Wi-Fi and enable it again for the quick fix. And once it's done, you need to turn on your airplane mode and turn it off. So the second step is to end Xbox app process. For that you need to enter into your task manager. Over there you need to task the Xbox related applications and also as well as the Microsoft Store. So the third step is to repair the Xbox application. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into the application and then installed apps. On the search bar, please search for Xbox. Enter into the advanced option and please scroll down. You may see repair and reset. Please do one by one. The fourth step is to repair gaming services. For that you need to enter into your Windows PowerShell as run as administrator mode and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it one by one. Yeah, the first prompt is to uninstall and the second prompt is to reinstall the gaming services. So it's automatically redirect to the Microsoft Store and it will ask you to install. Please do it. Sometimes it fixes the corrupted file. So once it's done, please type exit or just close it. So the fifth step is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type wsreset.exe. It redirects to the Microsoft Store to reset and wait for 2 to 5 minutes and please close it if it's not closed automatically. So the sixth step is to update Windows. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter Windows Update and then check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the seventh step is to run system file checker. For that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. Hardly it will take 5 to 10 minutes because it need to load from 0 to 100. Once it's done, please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there. The same, you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It need to be load from 0 to 100. Once it's done, please check the status. If it shows successful, in the sense it's good to go. If in case it shows any error or unsuccessful, you need to redo the step again, the command prompt step again. So the eighth step is to reinstall the Xbox application. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over there you need to enter into the apps and then installed apps. Search for Xbox and install it, and after that you need to reinstall using your Microsoft Store. So the ninth step is to verify Xbox services. For that you need to enter into the services as run as administrator mode. Over there please scroll down. You may see gaming services. Right click it and enter into the properties and check whether it's in running condition or not. If in case it's running, it's good to go. If not, you need to start it again. And then IP helper, over the same you need to do for that. Now it's in running condition, so just click OK. And then again please scroll down. You may see Xbox Live Auth Manager. Same, enter into the property. Yeah, you need to make it automatic and you need to start it so that the service status to be in running condition. So after that you need to click apply and then click OK. The same you need to do for Xbox live game serve. Yeah, now it's stopped, so you need to make it as start. Yeah, now it's running perfectly. Click apply and then click OK. So once it's done, our last step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoyed the video and the issue will be solved. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, click to. Bye bye.